I was doing a lip slide.
Alex, after 1 year of tech taking, I think I would know an inward heel when I see one.
Yeah, but that was a lip slide.
Well, what do you mean? It means poof, Alex. I'm tired of having all these constant arguments.
Okay, whatever. Let's just tech deck it up, man.
Whatever. Hi.
Hi. I'm gonna go get us some snacks. Yeah, there's no food.
That's okay.
Yeah.
So, how about that weather we're having?
Nice.
Yeah, like global warming.
Yeah.
You know what I realized?
What?
Light blue is actually a lot better than dark blue.
Well,
Like, I mean,
yeah.
I mean, I don't know. It's just an observation.
I don't clean the forest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
Sounds fun.
Should we head out?
That'd be fun.
Let's evacuate
Hey.
the situation.
Oh,
I guess we just.
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh.
I mean, well,
The forest.
that's the only thing.
It's
That's
Well,
the thing.
that's the thing.
sure.
Yeah.
Dude, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Think I'm doing?
Well, God. Dude, are you okay, man? Nate, come on, breathe. Breathe. Nate. I hope you're happy, Chris.
I hate you, man.
No.
Then you waddle away, waddle, waddle. Then you waddle away, waddle, waddle, waddle.
Hey, dude.
Waddle away, waddle, waddle.
What's wrong, man? You just ran off with nowhere to go.
Hormones raging, you know. Puberty has its ups and downs.
Yeah, it's toll on you. But, I mean, okay, dude, I know this is kind of weird, awkward,
Yeah.
but we should seriously
That hurt.
play. We should seriously play Truth or Dare.
Really?
Yeah,
Let's
dude.
do it.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, we should.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
I thought of it.
No.
And that's why they're called mittens.
Who would have thunk it?
Yeah, I mean, you just
Well, I
think one
didn't.
thing, then
Think the
boom,
other.
you think the other.
So I guess this brings us to you, Alex. Truth or dare?
I'm gonna have to go with truth.
You really think you're up for this?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Who's your real father, Alex?
Hate when people ask me this. Might as well just go ahead. I mean, you guys are like my best friends, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
My father was actually not even close to anybody's friend, actually.
Whoa.
Yeah. And he was a man that doesn't laugh,
No.
ever.
Never.
And he would just go around.
Dang!
Alright, come on!